Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to hide phone number on Telegram. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Here is our Telegram. So, let's do it. Go to the menu, select Settings, and then Privacy and Security. And here is the phone number. Here you choose Nobody. But pay attention here, who can find me by my number part. If you select this part, like everybody, that's okay. But if you select My Contacts, then nobody can save and find you if they are not in your contact list. And here you can add people to exceptions list, which allows them to see your contact and find by your phone number. That's all for now. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether the tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!